What if I told you there is a truck stop in America where drivers have found bullet holes in their own trucks? Not one driver, many drivers. And here's something even stranger. Some of those drivers say the police stopped coming to that lot a long time ago. Where is this place? You are going to find out. But first, you need to know something important. There is no official list of dangerous truck stops. No government agency tracks this. Truckers built it themselves. For years, drivers have warned each other. They talk on the CB radio. They post in online forums. They tell the next driver coming through. Here's the real reason a list like this exists at all. There are roughly 313,000 truck parking spaces in the United States. There are more than 3 million truck drivers. Do the math, and it comes out to about one legal parking space for every 11 drivers. In a survey from the American Transportation Research Institute, 98% of drivers said they struggle to find safe parking on a regular basis. So here's the trap. You can't just decide to avoid the dangerous truck stops. On a lot of nights, there simply aren't enough safe ones to go around. Drivers pull into places they already know have a bad reputation because the only other options are a highway shoulder, an off-ramp, or a logbook violation. Tonight, we are counting down 15 of these places. Real locations, real names, and where we have hard numbers from the FBI, from a company called CargoNet that tracks stolen cargo. From state police data, we will give you those numbers straight, no guessing. The danger changes shape as we go. Some of these spots are dangerous because of what gets stolen off a trailer. Some are dangerous because of what happens between two exhausted human beings fighting over the same 10 feet of asphalt. Some aren't about crime at all, just bad lighting and a lot laid out wrong. Keep that in mind because the type of danger is going to keep shifting on you tonight, right up until the end, and the very last entry pulls every single one of those threads into a single address. Number 15. Pilot Travel Center, Drums, Pennsylvania. Picture this. It is midnight. A driver is tired. He needs 4 hours of sleep before his next delivery. He pulls up to this truck stop in Pennsylvania, and then he keeps driving. Why would a tired driver pass up a chance to sleep? Because drivers on this route say it is not worth the risk. The trouble happens around the fuel pumps, in the parking rows once it gets dark. It is not one big scary story. It is dozens of small warnings passed from driver to driver until everyone on this route just knows to avoid it. And here is a fact worth remembering. Pennsylvania is one of the top 5 states in the entire country for stolen cargo, according to CargoNet. But the next stop on our list has a different kind of problem. Number 14, TA Travel Center, Jessup, Maryland. This stop sits right off Interstate 95 in one of the busiest shipping routes on the entire East Coast. Trucks from up and down the coast pass through here every single hour. So why do drivers avoid stopping for the night? It comes down to 2 words drivers use again and again. Not safe. Not enough lights. Not enough eyes watching the lot. Drivers even compare this place to some of the worst stops in Philadelphia, which is coming up later on our list. Keep that comparison in mind, because when we get to Philadelphia later, you will understand exactly why that comparison scares drivers so much. It is not a small insult. It is one of the worst things one truck stop can say about another. Number 13, One Stop Truck Stop, Newburgh, Maryland. Here is something different. This stop used to be a safe, easy choice. It sits on Route 301, close to the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Drivers used to park here without a second thought. So what changed? No crime wave, no bad news story, just years of the lot getting worse and worse. Cracked pavement, broken lights, nobody managing the place properly. Today, most drivers only stop here to put fuel in the tank. They do not stay the night. Danger does not always mean crime. Sometimes danger is simply a place nobody bothered to take care of. Number 12, American Truck Plaza, Milton, Pennsylvania. Most of this stop is actually fine. Drivers will tell you that themselves. So why is it on this list at all? Because one specific part of the parking lot has a bad name. And here is the interesting part. No news report will ever tell you which corner to avoid. Only other drivers know that. This is how the whole warning system in trucking really works. It is not always a whole city or a whole truck stop. Sometimes it is one single row of parking spaces that everyone quietly agrees to skip. Think about that for a second. A whole industry runs on word of mouth like this. No app tells a new driver which corner to skip. No sign warns you when you pull in. The only way you find out is by talking to someone who already learned the hard way or by making the same mistake yourself. Now here comes our first real jump in danger. What happens when a truck stop is not just quietly avoided by drivers, but banned in writing by an entire trucking company? Number 11. BP, Winchester and Lamar, Memphis, Tennessee. This is where the list stops being quiet and starts getting serious. One major national trucking company has a written rule. Their drivers are told in an official policy, do not stop at this location. Think about what that means. A company does not write a rule like that because of one bad rumor. They write it because their own trucks and their own drivers had real problems here. Problems serious enough that a manager somewhere decided to put it in writing and send it to every driver on the payroll. This spot sits in a stretch of Tennessee highway that shows up again and again on this list. Remember that name, Memphis. You are going to hear it many more times, and each time it gets worse. Number 10. Crockett Truck Stop. This stop has one thing that should worry you more than almost anything else on this list. It is not one bad review. It is not one angry driver. So what is it? It is years of the exact same complaint from drivers who have never met each other, who drive for different companies in different years, saying the exact same thing. This place is not kept up, and it is not safe. When strangers who have never spoken keep repeating the same warning year after year, that is one of the strongest signals in the whole trucking world. It means something real is happening here, not just bad luck. Number 9. TA Travel Center, South Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore has one of the highest rates of violent crime of any big city in America, according to FBI crime reports. This truck stop sits right in the middle of that city. So why do drivers keep bringing this place up in the same conversation as two other states on our list, Indiana and Tennessee? Because the reputation follows the same pattern everywhere. Big city, high crime. A truck stop stuck right in the middle of it with drivers who have no choice but to stop there anyway. Because the delivery schedule does not care how dangerous the neighborhood is. Number 8. Circle K Truck Stop, Phoenix, Arizona. Drivers here report something specific. Drug activity in the parking lot, and people showing up at trucks late at night, offering things drivers never asked for and do not want. Why does this keep happening here? Phoenix sits on a major route running up from the border with Mexico. That means a constant stream of vehicles and people passing through day and night, many of them total strangers to each other. You are going to see this exact pattern again and again on this list. Heavy traffic plus weak security equals trouble. Write that down because it explains almost half of the locations on tonight's countdown. And here is a question worth sitting with. If a busy border route in the desert can produce this much trouble, what happens when that same problem shows up on the busiest freight routes in the entire country? Some of those routes are still ahead of us tonight. Number 7. Pilot, Exit 39, Interstate 85, Charlotte, North Carolina. Picture pulling into this lot late at night and realizing something feels wrong. The place is crowded, but not with drivers, not with customers either, just people hanging around for reasons nobody can explain. Local police reportedly drive past this lot on a regular loop, but here is the problem drivers keep bringing up. The police rarely get out of the car and actually walk the property. Charlotte has grown fast as a shipping hub in the last few years, but the security around these truck stops never grew to match it. That gap between growth and safety is a story that repeats itself again and again on this list. Number 6. Pilot Travel Center, Denver, Colorado. This one is different from most on our list. It is not really about crime at all. So what is the actual problem? Bad lighting. A parking lot laid out in a confusing way. No visible security walking around after dark. Several drivers describe this location as genuinely hard to navigate safely. Not because of who might be there, but simply because of how badly the lot itself was built and lit. A driver backing a 53-foot trailer into a dark, confusing lot at 2 in the morning is already taking a risk before any other person even shows up. Sometimes the danger is not a person. Sometimes it is just bad design, and bad design can be just as dangerous as bad people. Number 5. TA Travel Center, Fontana, California. In 2025, California recorded more stolen cargo cases than any other state in the entire country. Over 1,200 documented cases according to CargoNet. Why does Fontana specifically show up on this list? Out of every truck stop in California. This location sits near the Milliken Avenue exit, right in the middle of the Inland Empire, one of the busiest warehouse and shipping areas anywhere in the country. Drivers have warned each other about this exact stop for years, for both stolen cargo and personal safety. With that much freight moving through one area, the traffic here never really slows down, day or night. Number 4. Walt Whitman, TA, Packer Avenue, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Remember earlier, when I told you drivers compare a different stop to the worst locations in Philadelphia? This is the stop they were talking about. Pennsylvania sits in the top 5 states for stolen cargo, but this specific location has been named by drivers for over 10 years, mostly for one specific reason. People approaching trucks and offering things drivers do not want, almost any hour of the day or night. Here is the hard part. This stop sits directly on a major East Coast delivery route. Drivers do not get to choose whether they pass through here. The route runs straight through it, whether they like it or not. Number 3. Gary, Indiana truck stops. Gary has one of the highest rates of violent crime per person of any city in the entire United States, according to FBI statistics. Here is what makes this one different from almost everything else on our list. Truck stops in Gary have shown up on lists just like this one for decades. Drivers from completely different eras of trucking, who never met each other, who never even drove the same truck models, keep naming this exact city. Gary used to be a booming steel town with an economy strong enough to support heavy trucking. When that industry collapsed, the roads, the lighting, and the security around them never really recovered. And drivers still feel that decline every time they pull in. Only 2 stops left, and one of them is the place I teased you with at the very start of this video. Are you ready? Number 2. Twin Pilots, Highway 78, Memphis, Tennessee. This is the runner-up. And this is the place with the bullet holes we told you about at the beginning. This is the single most frequently named dangerous truck stop in the entire country. Drivers from different years, different companies, and different parts of the country keep naming this exact location again and again without ever coordinating with each other. Now here is something we need to be honest with you about. The stories about bullet holes come from driver testimony, not a police report, not an official record we could confirm ourselves. We are telling you because it is one of the most repeated claims in the entire trucking world about this location. But we want you to know exactly what it is. A claim repeated by many drivers. And now the final stop. Number 1. This is not just one truck stop. This is an entire stretch of highway, and it is the reason Memphis has shown up on this list more than any other city tonight. Multiple national trucking companies have written official rules banning their drivers from stopping anywhere along this stretch of Highway 78. Tennessee ranks among the very top states in the country for stolen cargo. And Memphis itself is one of the most important shipping hubs in the entire United States, home to one of the largest shipping and logistics operations on Earth. That means the number of trucks running through this one corridor every single day is bigger than almost anywhere else on this list. This is not one rumor about one bad parking lot. This is a real pattern that has lasted for years, confirmed by multiple companies, multiple drivers, and one very dangerous stretch of American highway. So think back to the very start of this video. We told you about bullet holes in a truck and police who stopped showing up. That story came from this exact stretch of highway. Now you know why it earned the top spot and why so many drivers from so many different companies all say the exact same thing about it. None of this came from rumors alone. Every single location on this list showed up across multiple independent driver reports. Some of these warnings have lasted more than 10 years, and several are backed up by written company policy, not just word of mouth. That is exactly why a list like this, built entirely by drivers with no government agency behind it, still carries real weight in this industry. This kind of shared warning is exactly what has kept drivers safer for decades. It costs nothing to share, and it only keeps working if drivers keep passing it along, one comment, one warning, one conversation at a time. Subscribe for more videos covering real numbers and real dangerous locations across the American trucking industry.